Massachusetts Training Exchange, MTE. Mass MEP has had the opportunity to work with the new MTE registration process for the past 6 months. During this time, we were able to learn and understand this new system put into place for the Small Business Direct Access Program. This new registration process puts restrictions on how much information is viewable to the training provider, which caused us at Mass MEP to create our own registration system. When registering for an event with Mass MEP, it reserves a seat in the course and allows us to have a count on the amount of registrants for the training. To do this, go to the Mass MEP website, massmep.org, click on the Workshops tab, and it will open up the calendar of events. You can scroll through by month. The action buttons are located on the top and the bottom of the calendar to navigate through. Click on the training. It will take you to the training site and show you the information regarding the training and the registration link. Once you click on that link, it will take you directly to our registration page. This is where your seat will be held for the training. The Commonwealth requires companies to have under 100 employees and a valid COGS to participate in the MTE Small Business Direct Access Program. COGS are valid for 6 months, and the current timeline to receive a PDF version is 36 to 48 hours. You will need a PDF version to connect it to your MTE account during the registration process. To obtain a COGS, check with your Human Resource or Finance Department first. Then, if need be, you can access the Department of Revenue through the Mass MEP website. On the Mass MEP website, you will click under Training Links and scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the link that reads Mass Tax Connect. Once you click that link, it will take you directly to the Mass Tax Connect site, and you will click on the link to request a certificate of good standing. Once all the required information is collected, the FEIN number, legal business name, and COGS, you will now be able to get your company registered with the MTE. The current timeline is running from 4 to 6 weeks for approvals to be processed. However, once a company is registered, it is in the database permanently. You may also want to check in with your Human Resource or Finance Department to be sure that there is an account already created. When you do register a company, we suggest that you have a representative from the Human Resource, Finance, or a training manager be responsible for this account. In the new era of Industry 4.0 and cybersecurity standards, companies using financial information, such as these, should minimize their user interfacing. So having one person overseeing the MTE account will also permit them to view the grant funds available, COGS renewal timeline, employee registrations, and all other account details on the dashboard. When registering a company, there are required fields for company information. Be sure to enter only that information that is being asked for into those fields. For example, when putting in the number of employees in a company, only type in whole numbers. Do not type in 75-80. Upload your COGS and be sure to set a reminder to renew the COGS around a 5-month mark. You may need a new COGS uploaded in your dashboard before you register for another event that falls after your 6-month mark. Uploading all of this information to this point is creating your dashboard on the MTE website. Once the company information is entered, there are 4 statuses: declined, draft, pending, and accepted. If a company is declined, they will receive a notification as to why, and at this point, they may rectify the problem to wait for approval. Draft status is when a company starts the registration process and walks away. It does save the information, but a username and password will be required to access the account for completion. Pending is when the Commonwealth is reviewing the company information to verify acceptance. And accepted, well, the company is accepted by the Commonwealth and now may register employees for training. Currently, the Commonwealth is front-loading the funds for the Small Business Direct Access Program. Each approved company will receive a maximum grant funds of $15,000 that will be valid for 1 full year from date of issue. Now that the company is registered, let's get the employees registered for their no-cost trainings. In the top right corner, you will see the search bar. Type in Mass MEP. This will bring up all the trainings that are available through Mass MEP. For more information about each of the training courses, click directly on the course title. This will take you into the course information page. On this page, they have a See Batches button. Clicking on this button will take you to the page showing you all the dates available for the trainings. Click Enroll and fill in the details for the employees looking to register for the event. Your registrations will be listed in your dashboard, and your dashboard is the location you can access important areas within your account: grant funding, employees, enrollments, etc. Companies are able to enter employees into their dashboard ahead of registering them for a course, as it may save time later. Let's review some important notes regarding the MTE registration process. Registering with Mass MEP is just a placeholder. You still need to register with masstrainingexchange.org. Funding will be offered to companies under 100 employees that operate in the state of Massachusetts. MTE registration timeline, 6 weeks. COGS may be issued within 36 hours as long as you request a PDF form. COGS are valid for 6 months. Please be sure to download a new COGS as needed on your dashboard. Set a main contact or administrator person responsible for the COGS and grant funds. Approved companies will receive $15,000 in grant funding that is valid for 1 year. Each training class will chip away at these funds. No cancellations are accepted 17 days before the training. However, substitutions may be made, but an email notification of the individuals replacing and being replaced must be sent to mte@comcorp.org. If you have any questions regarding your MTE registration, you may also contact the MTE directly at the same email address. They are very quick in their response time in regards to registration process. Thank you for your time, and for further information, contact Haley Steele, Haley S. at massmep.org.